Hi guys, I'm Daniel from Bowers Group and I'm the Southeast Area Sales Manager. Now today we're going to be talking about high gauging. So what we have here is the Trimos V5 400. An excellent piece of kit, measuring range of around 400 mil, but an application range using the second holder of about 700. So you can get quite a lot out of it. So if you're not familiar with high gauging, it's quite a versatile tool. So what we'll measure here is this lock at the bottom. So I'll take a measurement down here on that flat. Right now that's telling me the current position of the height of that flat from the base of the table. Now if I take another measurement just to the top of that flat, I'll get both the top position of that flat as well as the width of that gap. Now that's a very basic application of a height gauge. Now we'll get on to some of the more complicated features. So diameters and center lines. So we've got a nice big feature there and we want to find the diameter as well as the center position. The Trimos has what we call a smart scan, meaning once I touch onto the diameter, all I have to do is move the part and it will search for the lowest point on here, giving me an audible beep just like now to tell me it's found the lowest point on that diameter, meaning I can then measure the high spot. So doing exactly the same thing, touching on there, I will now scan it across and I've just found our high spot there, giving us our effective diameter as well as our center line position. So quite a versatile tool, a lot more you can do as well. So if you're trying to find the high spots or low spots on any part you're measuring, you can do that quite easily as well. So on here, let's try find the lowest point on that face. So what we'll do is press the minimum button and now we'll touch onto that landing. And now we'll drag the part across, searching that whole area. And now if we come back to the screen here, we can now see the lowest point at the bottom here and our current position. But if you want to see the highest spot, press it one more time. You can see our highest point. And if we want to find the difference, if we press it one more time, we can see that's how much deviation there is on that face. So many features you can get out here, center to center, curve to center, a load of features. The V5 specifically comes with an air cushion, but we do have that on most models. So a very nice, simple display, very friendly to the workshop and to any sort of user that's trying it for the first time. So this is our smallest range on the V-Line series. Moving up from that, we have a model like the V9. Once you come up to this sort of range, you start to increase your accuracy and get a lot out of your display. So if you start to look at SPC and 2D charts, you can then plot all of that on your display right here. So we'll be at MACH the whole of the week, so do feel free to drop by, grab a coffee, and give the high gauging a bit of a try. Cheers, guys.